Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock old iPad lock screen and unlock activation lock, iCloud and many more. This case often occurs if you have an old iPad and iPhone that you haven't used for a long time and you forget the passcode you used when using the old device. It often happens that you forget your passcode or a cloud password. So with this video, I will provide a solution for those of you who have a device that has forgotten the passcode and forgotten iCloud for your old device. You are in the right place to reopen your old iPhone or iPad so it can be used again. Dr.Fone Screen Unlock iOS provides services that can help users unlock their iOS devices. Dr.Fone takes over all your phone management problems with a one-stop solution. Dr.Fone has all-in-one solutions in one toolkit. Manage your phone, repair your system, recover your data, transfer your files, and so on. Whatever you need, Dr.Fone is at your service. You can unlock a various case for your iDevice, such as screen unlock, fix system repair, data recovery, WhatsApp transfer, phone transfer, and many more. To unlock your old iPad, you can install Wondershare Dr.Fone on your computer. It is available on Windows and Mac user. Launch Wondershare Dr.Fone on your computer, and you will see the Dr.Fone user interface like this. You can use whatever tools you need for your iPhone or Android device needs. In this video, I will try to open my old iPad that I haven't used for a long time. So I use Dr.Fone to open this iPad passcode screen. Navigate through Toolbox, Screen Unlock, select iOS to launch the specific tool on a new window. Select the option to unlock your old device. With the window that opens, continue to select the Unlock iOS Screen button to continue unlocking your iOS device's screen. Start unlocking iOS device. On the next screen, click Start to initiate the process of unlocking the iOS device. Ensure that the battery levels of your device are up to the mark. Make sure your device connected to Dr.Fone. Following this, you are advised to put your iDevice into recovery mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your iDevice into mode according to the model you own. If recovery mode does not work for you, try clicking the Try DFU Mode button on the bottom to open the instructions for putting the iDevice in DFU mode. After the user has successfully put their iDevice into recovery mode, the platform detects the device model automatically and displays it in the respective section. If needed, amend the model and select the system version according to your requirements. Once done, click Start to proceed with unlocking your device's screen. The following screen displays the progress of the iOS firmware that is being downloaded on the platform. You can click the Stop button if you wish to abort the process. For situations where the iOS firmware is downloading slowly on the platform, use the Copy button to copy the link for downloading iOS firmware manually. After the iOS firmware is downloaded successfully, it is verified and displayed on the next screen. Continue to select the Unlock Now button to execute the unlocking process. A prompt window appears on the screen, asking for confirmation of the process. Type in the required code and tap Unlock to proceed with the final result. The next screen shows the progress bar of the unlocking iOS device. Keep in mind that the device should remain connected, which, if neglected, will brick it. As the iDevice is unlocked successfully, click the Done button to conclude the process. If you are still left with a locked iDevice, click Try again to restart the process. After that, go back to your iDevice, and the device will reboot and reinstall iOS. Wait a few moments until your device turns on. Also make sure your device's battery level is sufficient to complete this process. After that, you will be faced with the process of setting up a new device and entering the new passcode that you want to use. Make sure you remember the passcode you entered so you don't forget it in the future. So, with the help of this Dr.Fone, you can use your old device again, even if you forget the passcode. Not only that, you can also reset your iCloud activation, forget your iCloud password, and various problems with unlocking your iPhone or iPad. If you unlock your iOS device with Dr.Fone, it will clear all the data within the device. The device would come into a similar state as a factory reset device. Keep in mind that Dr.Fone cannot be used for recovering data from such devices. If you want to download and install Dr.Fone, you can check on their official website, or you can check the link download description. I really recommend you to use this tool, all in one for your iDevice needs. Easy to use, even beginner can use it. Okay, thanks for watching this video. See you next time.